Hello everyone, I'm Kumari Usha. Today I'm going to tell you about steganography. So let's start. These are the contents which we will go through in this presentation. First one is introduction of steganography, then the history of steganography, then the terms which we use in steganography, and then the model of steganography which shows how steganography works, and then the steganography types like text steganography, image steganography, audio steganography, and then the steganography tools and applications. Introduction. Steganography is the art and science of writing hidden messages in such a way that no one apart from the sender and receiver suspect the existence of the message. It is a form of security through obscurity. The word steganography has originated from Greek words. It is made up of two words, stegno and graphian. Stegno means concealed or hidden, and graphian means writing. So, steganography means hiding one piece of data within another piece of data. History of steganography. The steganography was used in ancient time like below. Like first one is invisible ink. During World War II, invisible ink was used to write information on pieces of paper so that the paper appeared to the average person as just being blank pieces of paper. To make the invisible ink, we used liquids such as milk, vinegar, and fruit juices. Because when each one of these substances are heated, they darken and become visible to the human eye. Second one is in ancient Greece, they used to select messengers and shave their head. They would then write a message on their head. Once the message had been written, the hair was allowed to grow back. After the hair grew back, the messenger was sent to deliver the message. The recipient would shave off the messenger's hair to see the secret message. And the third one is ancient Chinese wrote messages on silk, which was then crunched into a tiny ball and covered by wax that the messenger swallowed. And the fourth one is micro dots. These dots were very small in size that they can only be seen by microscopes. Now, steganography terms. First one is carrier or cover file. This is the original message or a file in which hidden information will be stored. This carrier or cover file can be any bitmap image or any text document or JPG image. Now, second one is secret message, the information which is to be hidden or concealed. So the secret message is that the message which we want to hide, and it can also be a bitmap image or any text document or any audio file. And the third one is steganography encoder. Sender encodes the cover file and secret message with the help of key. Now, steganography encoder produces output as stego object. So now when a receiver wants to see the secret message, so he will just put the stego object in steganography decoder and he will get the secret message. Now, steg analysis, it is the process of detecting hidden information inside of a file. In this, a person tries to find what is hidden inside our cover file. So basically it disables the steganography process. Now, steganography model. I have already discussed the terms which we have used here in earlier slide. So I will just tell working. So here we have our cover file and secret message. So we will just encode both the files with the help of steganography encoder and with the help of key, and it will produce this stego object. Now this stego object will travel through communication channel, and when this receiver wants to see that secret message, so he will just put stego object in steganography decoder and will decode it with the same key used in encoder, and he will get the secret message. Now, steganography types. Steganography is of three types: text steganography, image steganography, and audio steganography. Now, first one is text steganography. Text steganography can be applied in the digital makeup format such as PDF, digital watermark, or information hiding. The methods which we use in text steganography are text steganography in specific characters in words, line shifting method, word shifting, open spaces, character encoding. So here are some examples of text steganography. An example of message containing ciphertext by German spy in World War II. So when we take every second letter in each word, the following message emerges, like P from apparently, E from neutral, R from protest, S from is, and so on. So we get the message Pershing sales from NY June 1. Here is the another example of text steganography. We can do this by minor changes to shapes of characters. Here we can see we have done a minor change to the character O. Now example of text steganography. Yes, in this there is a paragraph written, and at last there are some numbers. When we decode this number, so we got that message, like it says, like sixth character of first line, eighth character of second line, 19th character of third line, and so on. And at last we get the message as meet at dawn. Now second one is image steganography. In this we use our images as host or cover file to hide the messages. In this we use least significant bit insertion method to hide the file. So we use LSB because it makes use of bitmap images since they use lossless compression. In the least significant bit, in other words, we can say the 8th bit of some or all of the bytes inside an image is changed to a bit of the secret image. So here is the LSB method. Like we want to insert our word bomb using LSB technique, so we will just convert the ASCII values of BOMB in binary value and just replace these bits uh, in the image. Now in today's life we use steganography as follows. Like here I have my text document where I have written my secret message, and I have taken the image as my carrier file, and I have encoded both the files. Now it will look like image, but now this time it contains hidden message also. But when a third person sees it, apart from sender or receiver, he will only look it as an image, but we know the that it is a carrier file with hidden images. That is our text document. Now audio steganography. Now embedding secret messages into digital sound is known as audio steganography. Audio steganography methods can embed message in WAV, AU, and even MP3 sounds file. The techniques which we used here are LSB coding, phase coding, parity coding, spread spectrum. Now these are the steganography tools which we use to do steganography. These are Stegnos, STools, StegHide, JPHide, Hyderman and many others. Now application of steganography. It is used in confidential communication and secret data storing. It is used in modern printers, like tiny yellow dots are added to each page. Printer serial numbers, date and time stamps are encoded on yellow dots. Examples are HP and Xerox color laser printers. Then it is used by terrorists and hackers. It's possible that terrorist cells may use it to secretly communicate information, and it is used by intelligence services. It is also a very good anti-forensic mechanism to mitigate the effectiveness of a forensics investigations. So finally, we can conclude that steganography hides our confidential information and we can communicate our message safely. Thanks for listening to me.